Hi, how you doing? So this video, we're going to talk about how the power lead system works. So what I'll do is I'll jump over to the screen here and I will talk you through how it works. Let's just go to the dashboard. Right, share screen. Right, okay. So I'll turn my video off because you don't want to be looking at me. Okay, so what's really good about the power lead system in 2025 now is you've got a 10 plus year old company. So I think officially it's 10, but um, they've been going over 12 that I know of because I know somebody who's been getting paid for 12 years from them. So you kind of got that credibility, that security of, a well-established, well-respected, long-term business. That's the first thing, right? Now, the main products are obviously things to help you build a business online. So to that end, you have all of these training products here. Okay, so you got had basically free ads, how you can basically generate free leads, a full-on lead generation academy, and then you go a bit more kind of professional when you get up to these, like especially the Master Traffic Institute, right? So you have trainings that can teach you how to build a business online and grow a business. But then you also, if I just pull that back up, you also have your marketing where you can make your own web pages with it. Now, personally, I'll just be frank with you. You can make simple pages in this system, right? It's not really like a full-on funnel builder like ClickFunnels or Home Business Academy now. But if you just want something basic, it will do it. However, okay, let me let me kind of tell you that most people that join probably don't look at much of the training and they don't build their own funnel because if I just show you done for you funnel, you've got you can easily set a done for you funnel up yourself. And the one that's taking you know, I'm sure is going to set the world by storm. I don't want to hype or anything, but this one here is now doing very well, right? And it's all to do with AI. So when you say how does it work? So let's just come back off the screen a minute. What you would normally do what you would normally do to build a business online is you have a product, then you have to build a website to market that product, then you have to go out and you have to promote on social media, or you have to buy ads and generate leads, and then you have to follow up with those leads. Now, a lot of people are not very good at generating leads. They don't know where to start. Most people don't like to sell. They don't want to think they want to sell, and they don't do any follow-up. So there's the Better Business Bureau suggests that you need really to be making somewhere between at least 5 to 12 follow-ups, to make a decent amount of sales. And that doesn't mean being pushy or anything like that. It just means kind of keep putting your offer in front of people. Now, what Power Lead System have done is very clever. So we'll jump back to the screen. Um, you can still do that. You can go and build a funnel, but why would you want to when there's already a good funnel, there's already good setups there for you. Okay, there's already stuff there set up for you, right? That is proven to work. Okay. The next thing is generating leads then. So, okay, so I've got a good funnel. How do I generate leads? Well, you can go up here to Fast Start and you can add your own domain if you want to add your own domain. You don't have to, but I recommend you do, to be honest, just so it's something easier, but you don't have to. You can run it all just with their standard domains. Okay. You can even add your own income stream, but then you get traffic. Okay. And solo ad providers, these are tried and tested and true. It's like putting an ad in a newspaper in effect. These are email lists, and these people will put an ad inside their emails that goes out to their list to generate clicks for the Power Lead system. Now, if I put an advert in a newspaper, unfortunately, there are no guarantees. And, I've done some solo ads and I've had great results and I've had terrible results. But if you do it consistently and you're steady, that's just the way it is, right? You will get results if you're just consistent, right? So these are the ones that are working. Okay, so these are kind of recommended resources. So that's one way you can generate leads, and everybody can generate leads because you can just go and buy them. But then let's suppose Ian, you haven't got much money for an ad, to spend on ads or anything like that. So you want to generate your own leads. Well, look, they have endless free leads here. And this is a product that can teach you how to go out and advertise on social media. And then, of course, you can start with a free trial, and it's only $54 a month for the gold membership, the basic gold membership. But this is then when you would come to the products here. And if you wanted to go more advanced, you would look at some of these, maybe purchase those or go all in. Um, so then, okay, so we've got a website. We can buy ads to get traffic to our website, and we can also use something like this to try and learn, and the products to learn to generate our own stuff for free, right? So yeah, we can do all that. Um, how do we follow up though then? How do we follow up with our leads? Now, what most people will do is they will have an email follow up, and again, the Powerly system has that. And let me just show you how easy it is to set up. So I'm going to come down here to marketing. And I'm going to go websites. All right, this is how it works. So what domain do I want to set up? Now I've brought domains. All right, I've had a couple of things running in this. And the one I want to set up is getyouraisidehustle.com. So if you want to see the funnel for yourself, go to getyouraisidehustle.com and you can see it for yourself. Getyouraisidehustle.com. All right. So I'm going to say, well, that's the website I want to use. What do I want it to do? I want them to become a prospect for whatever I want. Right. That means a lead capture page, known as a lead capture page. Right. So the number one in there is this AI funnel because it's working well, and I'll share my results with you in a minute. So yeah, I want to use this one, and it collects name and email, or do I want to get their phone number as well? Well, I'm not phoning anyone. I'm sure you don't want to phone anybody. I don't want to phone anybody. So I only want their name and email, right? So we're going to collect that. Then we come down all the way down here. Okay, and we're going to click Save My Choice. Now that we've got somebody to put their name and email in to see the information, they're going to need to go to a sales page, right? So the page I want them to go to is the AI one, and look at that. The system's clever. So it says, okay, AI sales page. So that's done, and I'm going to save my, you see all these different options here already made for you. So if you're not good at setting things up, this is perfect. So I'm going to click Save My Choice. And now the follow-up. So how do I follow up with people? Well, um, add an opt into the contact manager so I can contact them myself anytime I want. I can take my leads and export them into another system if you have another system. If you're a bit more advanced, if you know about marketing, you'll have heard of Aweber and GetResponse, which are autoresponders, or I can just use it right from within the system. So again, if I don't want the extra cost or I don't want to set anything up myself, I'm just going to use the one built in by Powerly system, and it works great. So I click submit. How long did that take? That is the Powerly system set up for me. And if you want to buy your own domain, you do it right from within the system, and it sets it all up, connects it all from within the system. By the way, it takes like literally 2 minutes, right? So there you go. It's done. It's done. That is how the Powerly system works. I've set that up to collect emails, right? To send them to a sales page once they've sent their email, and then to follow up with them by email. Okay. Now, let me show you if we come back to marketing, right? So this is good, and this has made me sales. In fact, I said I'd share with you. If I come down here to system, and I'm going to go to leaderboard. My name's Paul Turner. Okay. Leaderboard, number one earners. There you go. I'm number 3. Okay. Look, Graham Fram. So there I am at the minute, up here for that week. Okay, and if I come to that week there, I believe we're number 1. There we go. I don't know where I am this current week. Pull number 1 again. Okay, so that's me and Eric, by the way, the Master Plan affiliates. So it's working well. It's working very well. Now, if we then come down to what was I going to show you? Commissions earned. Okay, and I'm going to come down here to this all-in sales. This pays $1,500 commission. So each one of these is worth $1,500. Okay, and well, that just proves it works, right? So, and then if we come, and that's using the normal system that I've just shown you. Now you're going to have the option of the AI co-op. You see, this one sold out. There's a new one opening on the 15th of Feb. I don't know when you're watching this, but this is $100, and this is using an AI system that calls, texts, and emails your leads instantly. So often, leads will come in when you're busy or asleep or, eating or at work or whatever. It follows up 24/7 because it's AI. It never gets tired. It needs to eat. It never needs to use the restroom. It never needs to do any of that kind of stuff, right? And the leads are generated from social media, which means it's better than the solo ads because you can be a lot more targeted on social media. And all the testing has proved this is really good. So, and there's a demo there if you want to take it again. Getyouraisidehustle.com. Getyouraisidehustle.com. If you head over there, you can take a free trial and you can watch that video and you can see what happens with your follow-ups. Now, look, are you going to follow up for 10 days? Are you going to call your prospects? Are you going to answer calls if they ring you? Do you want to do that? Or do you want to let David, the AI assistant, do it? So, in a nutshell, that is how it works. It can give you the pages, okay, and it can give you the traffic, and it can give you the follow-up. That's why we love it so much, and it's our number one thing for 2025 because it's got right from earning sort of small entry costs, but low barrier to entry, right up to those $1,500 commissions and kind of everything in between. I would take the free trial if I were you to check it out. There's no catch. Okay, and you can go to getyouraisidehustle.com to see it for yourself and actually take it for a test drive. Hope you found the video useful. Like and subscribe if you want more information like this. I'll speak to you soon.